Hey guys, meet Bradley and Finnegan, two incredible pups who were higher on the animal list but recovered. They were at SuperZoo, turning heads and spreading the word about these premium post-surgical mobility suits for dogs. Choosing the right pet talent is key for a campaign, and these two understood the assignment. They had everyone falling in love with them and the recover suit. They made us smile all day. If you're a brand needing standout pet talent or a pet parent with a start in the making, join us on the animal list today. All animals are welcome, so don't be shy, we're waiting for you.